Simix will help you save time and money on your floors. Our floors look better with less work. We want you to understand that Simix ceramic floor coating looks great when we first apply it and even better over time. We're going to show you what Simix floors look like from the first day to a year later. This is a store in the Boston area, an area where they use salt and sand to fight ice and snow. This is what the floors look like before. This is what acrylic floor finish looks like 2 months after application. This is what they look like after a year of Simix. First, the most important thing is to thoroughly strip the floors. This is the last time you will ever strip. After you thoroughly strip, you will apply 2 coats of Simix. The next day, you apply 2 more. You can already see that Simix brings out the rich colors even in this 28-year-old VCT tile. This photo was taken at the 1-month mark. Here's what the floors look like after 4 months. Remember, if they were using acrylic floor finish, they would have already had to strip. But with Simix, you never strip again. This photo was taken at the 7-month mark. Here's what the floors look like 9 months later. And this is what the floors look like a year later. Normally, crews strip this floor 4 times a year and put on 48 coats of acrylic floor finish. But with Simix, they never strip again. And they have only added 28 coats of Simix. The floors are brighter and cleaner, easier to maintain, and less slippery. This floor has not had a single case of slip and fall since Simix was applied. Here's another example of Simix after 11 years. They have never stripped or burnished this terrazzo since Simix was applied. It will never yellow, chip, peel, or crack. Go to simixusa.com to learn more about how we can save you time and money.